I don't know why I always try to talk like there's no sound, because it's raining and I know you guys can hear the rain. It's raining. I don't remember where I left. Oh, it's in the van, I think. The camera mount. So you guys are gonna ride with me like this. How you guys doing today? That's good. That's good. So what am I doing today besides working? Going to the library to do research on the school. You guys are gonna go with me. I also have a new addiction. Do you guys remember the candy bars? Those squares. Have you guys had the Milky Way Simple Caramel? Simply Caramel, I should say, not simple. Simply Caramel. Holy mackerel. Yeah, go get one right now. Try it. I like to have you guys try a lot of things, don't I? Camera's all bouncy. Go try it. It's delicious. I'm not a really big fan of Milky Way, but with caramel, totally changes everything. Wow. Let's go. Okay, I was at the library. Sorry I couldn't talk, but you know the rules in the library. No talking, you get yelled at. No, that was the historical part of the library. Starting the research on the school, like I said before, I can tell you this much so far. The school opening day was September 9th, 1932. And it closed... Hold on. Going through all my notes. It closed June 9th, 1979. This is a black and white photo, but this is like the last day. All the kids are crying. So this is all the stuff I've got. Nothing really too interesting besides at the top of the school is a tower, which is a Christopher Warren tower. It's been hit by lightning 3 times. Once in 1944, which caused $200 worth of damage. Note, it's 1944, so that's probably like $2 grand worth of money now. Nothing's really sticking out yet, but we'll find it. We'll dig up the stories. Maybe there were some kids there that went crazy and murdered other kids. I doubt it, but there might be something interesting. Okay, so I'm back at work. There's our new store. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? Check it out. Maybe I'll take you in there later. Till then, this is Adam. I gotta go to work.